Hi, this is Priyanka Chopra and you're watching Takshila. Keep watching.
Priyanka is herself a world champion. You know, she won the beauty pageant in 2000. So I can't recollect any other instance where one world champion is actually, played a 5-time world champion. So having got these claps, I won't want to sort of drag this further. I would want to certainly invite the gentleman who's making his debut with this film.
Chopra!
One and only.
How amazing was she in the promo with all that working out and the shape and the punches. Big round of applause for her.
Thank you.
So I'm going to ask you something. In the non-ring finger, I want to see how far or how strong your punch is. Can you actually punch that?
My punch.
Yeah, your punch. Let's actually see this.
Hurt you.
No, I know. That's why I'm just taking the hand. I'm going to stand far away, and I'm going to do it like this. That's pretty good, man. You want another one? That, ladies and gentlemen, is Priyanka Chopra. But it was a tough film. It looks very tough physically, emotionally. And I know you like picking up these kind of films. But this really looks like a winner already. Was it really one of those levels where, tough to reach?
Well, I think, first of all, thank you very much for coming. This is definitely, I would say, the hardest film of my career. But I think, for me, my biggest inspiration was Mary herself and how hard the team worked on making this film happen. I think, Umang and his vision and how far he wanted to take it, the writers on the film, our crew, which worked, crazy hours of 18 hours in the rain, in the cold, in really tough conditions. Sanjay sir, who took out time from all his meetings and dealt with me coming and opening the door and saying, sir, I need your help. But just everyone on the team, really. It's been a very difficult film for everybody. But the inspiration was Mary herself. I mean, this is her story. And I was just very happy when, she saw the film. She called me up. She said, she cried in 2-3 places. And she was really overwhelmed. So for me, that's a testament of the fact कि हमने कुछ ना कुछ तो सही किया होगा.
बहुत कुछ सही किया है. The buzz has been created from the very teaser day. आप sportsman खुद भी हैं. तो
मैं actor हूँ.
but ये sportsman बनना पड़ा आपको. All the training looked very real. It looked really like how when we saw Farhan trying to get in shape and do all that, it looked very real. तो आप बन गए अब क्या boxer? I think after the film is over.
I mean, अब मुझे boxing के बारे में इतना तो पता है definitely कि I can get into a bout, but I wouldn't say मैं boxer बन गई हूँ. एक actor का काम ही ये होता है कि to make whatever I'm playing, especially a biopic on a living, breathing person who's almost my age. I think वो सबसे मुश्किल बात रही मेरे लिए because she's right there. But yeah, physically मुझे boxing सीखनी पड़ी 2 बार in fact क्योंकि हमने film को 2 बड़े schedules में किया था. Training करनी पड़ी of course, but all of it comes with the territory ना. अगर biopic लिया है तो ठीक से तो करना पड़ेगा.
I don't want to know who you were practicing with off camera, but just check करने के लिए just to see if the punches are going right. But I think we're going to leave it open to the media in just a bit. But you've got somebody very important to call on stage.
Yeah, well, I think this film would not have been made at all if it wasn't for the idea by the makers of the film, which would be Sanjay sir and Umang. So I'd like to call them on stage one at a time. A filmmaker who has always had the panache of making movies and telling stories in a way that only dreams are made up of. And this is a film which needed a filmmaker who has that kind of vision. Someone who can pick up on the idea of the fact that a small town girl with big dreams in her eyes can go and conquer the world. I'd like to call on stage the one and only Sanjalila Bansali.
I'd also like to take the opportunity to call on stage the man who's actually made this dream into a reality.
Wait, let me also say something about this man who has made this dream into a reality. When Umang first came to me, I've known Umang for years now, okay? Because हमने इतने सारे stage shows किए हैं साथ में. And when he came to me with the idea of the film, of course, as a first-time director with, he was a little unsure what I'll say, what I'll do. But when he started telling me the story and the idea of the story, his vision has been so concrete from the first time which was about 2.5 years ago, when we first spoke about the film, to right now. I remember Saivan Ram had come for the narration, who are the writers on the film, by the way, and we had. I just knew as soon as I heard the film that this was something I really wanted to be a part of, and over the time of shooting this film, the amount that the kind of difficulties that I think this director had to go through in putting this film together. A big hats off to you, Umang. This one is your baby. Please welcome on stage the first time director, huge technician in the industry, well respected, Mr. Umang Kumar.
And a familiar face who was there 5 minutes ago, Mr. Ajit Andhari. Could you please come on stage, sir? Sir, just a lovely word said by Priyanka about you as well.
प्रियंका के बारे में बोलूँगा तो बहुत बोलूँगा मैं, तो वो रहने देता हूँ मैं. मुझे इतना
कभी
याद
तो
है,
सुनने दो संजय सर, तरस गई हूँ
मुझे उतना याद है कि 2 साल पहले उमंग मेरे ऑफिस में आया था कुछ यूं ही मिलने के लिए, और लिफ्ट में जा रहा था तो मैं उसको बाय बोलने के लिए गया लिफ्ट तक, और बोला कि मेरे पास एक आइडिया है, एक मेरी कॉम के ऊपर फिल्म है. मैंने कहा डन. लिफ्ट के पास मैंने उसको बोला डन, आई एम प्रोड्यूसिंग इट, यू आर डायरेक्टिंग इट, नो डिस्कशन. मैंने स्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं पढ़ी. सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट दैट मोमेंट इज. इट्स व्हेन अ फिल्म हैज टू हैपन, वो इतना सिंपली हो जाता है. बड़ी मीटिंग्स, लंबे डिस्कशंस, और एक स्क्रिप्ट को डाइसेक्ट करो, ये करो वो करो, कुछ नहीं. वो लिफ्ट के बाहर जो हुआ है, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट मोमेंट आई थिंक ऑलवेज चेरिश ऑल माई लाइफ, बिकॉज these are the moments that make a film like this and something that we are so proud of. So that is about Umang. Coming to Ajit, when I see the boxing bout, I see myself, and the producers would rarely get along well. So one is a red corner, one is a blue corner. But
One second, let me just give this.
नहीं, मेरी आवाज वैसे ही पहुंच रही है आपको माइक. Yes, it's a very special film because मेरे को मुझे लगता है कि एक बहुत बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन है एवरी यूथ के लिए, यहाँ पे पूरा जनरेशन के लिए. विमेन एम्पावरमेंट जिसको बोलते हैं, उसके लिए एक बहुत बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन, क्योंकि खुद एक फाइटर है. वो सिखाती है हमको कि कहाँ से कहाँ तक जा सकते हैं आप. और ये रोल जो प्ले करने के लिए मेरी कॉम का, मुझे लगता है हमारा ये जो एटम बॉम्ब है, ये जो पीसी है, ये जो उससे बेटर नहीं हो सकता. अगर हॉलीवुड के पास हिलेरी स्वैंक है तो हमारे पास प्रियंका चोपड़ा है. ये मैं आपको दावे के साथ बोल सकता हूँ.
बेटर
Here is an actor who अभी बहुत पोलाइटली मुझे बोल रही थी आप लोगों को कि वो मेरे घर में आके मुझे नॉक करके कहती थी कि कैन आई गेट अ फ्यू मिनट्स. नहीं, ऐसा झूठ है. वो घुस जाती थी घर के अंदर, वो दरवाज़ा तोड़ के अंदर आ जाती थी, कहते ये बैठिए, ये बताइए, ये क्या है, ये क्या नहीं है. This is what a great talent is all about. Besides being talented, it's your commitment, it's the fire, it's the electricity with which she sparkles. I love this commitment to your work, to your art, and to be able to play Mary Kom, to give so many hours to training, biceps. वो आदमी जैसी हो गई थी बीच में. मैं उसको कह रहा था कि प्रियंका,
नहीं, ये कहानी सुनने लायक है. जब हम लोग राम चाय वाला गाना शूट कर रहे थे तो संजय सर मुझे बोलते हैं, आके देखा उन्होंने एक दिन कि आई हैड टू बल्क अप अ लॉट. तो ही सेड ऐसे शूट करोगी, ऐसे मसल्स के साथ, ऐसे तो हम गाना शूट नहीं कर सकते, सेक्सी लगना है, इसलिए मुझे स्लीव्स दिए गए थे, बाय द वे.
Here is an actor which I feel truly what greats are all about. This is what Nutan ji was all about, what Vahida ji is all about. And I think Priyanka is in that league. As an actor, as a person, she's fabulous, and God bless her, and I love you a lot, PC. One big hug. God bless.
Oh, thank you, Sanjay sir.
Before the quick Q&A starts, yes, I want to mention a few people over here who mean a lot to me. Umang is here, but Vanitha, his wife, who is his inspiration and the backbone. And please stand up and take a bow. I think it's important for you to do that, Vanitha. She's a production designer of the film. She's the art director of the film. I want Sandeep Singh, my co-producer, to stand up and take a bow. Without him, this would have not happened.
Everyone was Sandeep.
Simon, Karan, Ram, everybody.
Woo!
So a great, is Shobha and Chaitanya here? I don't know if they are there before I'm making those great designs. Jayesh for cutting a beautiful trailer. Shashi and the new music director, Shivam over there. Everybody. And Ajit, thank you very much for being such a great guy and such a wonderful co-producer and producer with me. So I've enjoyed every minute. Love you and God bless.
You know, a lot of this film, most of this film is picked up from real life instances of Mary. So for me, the most difficult thing was to bring about her personality and how she must have been in scenes like that. Some of the film, when you watch, some of it is documented footage also. I'm sure you guys will have of instances that have happened to her, which we've tried to recreate within the film. So for me, the hardest part in the movie was that, to bring about Mary's personality. But I think there's this scene of Mary as a mother and her conflict and everything that happens to her, which for me is something I've not experienced, of course, since I've not had children. So I didn't know that was a really hard moment for me, to be a fighter, a mother, a homemaker, and to be able to balance all of that, I think, is one of a woman's greatest, most difficult roles. So to be able to bring that to the fore, I think for us was a really big challenge. I think for me, the story of Mary Kom is एक छोटे शहर की लड़की, farmers की बेटी, who had, it was a difficult time for her. Sports is anyway hard, as everybody knows, in India. So who came up, climbing the rungs with her hard work. And for me, the thing that touched me most about her was how she's still such a real person, and she's a girl. Okay, when you think about a boxer, सोचते हो कि boxing ring में इतनी tough होगी. जब मैं पहली बार मिली उससे, शिफॉन पहन के आई थी, nail polish लगा के आई थी, eye shadow, with the hair done. उसके gloves के अंदर हमेशा आप देखोगे कि वो nail paint पहनती है, उसका lucky charm है. तो she's a girly girl, which I really liked about her. तो मैंने उसकी, I tried not to make this Rocky Balboa and to give Mary's personality. वो मुझे बात बहुत छुई उसके बारे में.
Did you have to go through a lot of physical training to be more stronger, both emotionally and?
No, I think I didn't realize how much it would be difficult for my body. As a woman, it's anyway hard to be able to get muscles, the way boys do. You have to have years of training for that. And we had to do it twice over within a span of 2 years. So yeah, going to the gym every day after shooting. We used to shoot 15 hours almost every day. And then uske baad, after having a long day, then to go and train for 3 hours was, mere bichare trainer dhanya hai.
Could you tell us about the Manipuri actors that have been...
Crucial parts जो play करे हैं, other than Priyanka, are basically Northeastern Manipuri people, good actors that you'll
And also
see in
I
the
think
film.
Umang had an idea that he wanted to push talent from the Northeast as much as he could. When Sanjay sir and Umang used to have these conversations in office, I remember that, we talked about the fact that we don't have Northeastern talent as much in the Indian film industry, and there is so much of it. So they were very sure that they wanted to push that, so that these so actors from the Northeast and talent from the Northeast at least gets a platform on a film which is about the Northeast.
आपको फैशन आइकॉन माना जाता है और फैशन में बाल काफ़ी मायने रखते हैं. एक सीन है जहाँ पे आप पूरी कम्प्लीटली बाल दिखाई गई हैं, तो कितनी झिझक थी वो सीन करने, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग बाल होता है.
पहली बात ये मेरी ने किया है अपनी ज़िंदगी में, तो दिस इज़ एन ऑथेंटिक सीन इन द फिल्म. जिस बात को मुझे जिससे मैं बहुत एक्साइट हुई थी. एंड दूसरी बात, हर चीज़ से पहले मैं एक एक्टर हूँ और मेरा फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि जो भी किरदार मैं प्ले कर रही हूँ उसको जितनी ऑनेस्टी से प्ले करूँ. वो मेरा चैलेंज हमेशा रहता है पर्सनल, कि मैं अपनी हर फिल्म में कितनी अलग अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर सकती हूँ एंड कितनी रियल अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर सकती हूँ. तो झिझक मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं थी, मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड. नेवर से नेवर मैन, मेरे साथ तो मैं अपने आप को भी सरप्राइज कर देती हूँ. तो आप क्या हैं? यू नेवर नो.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि मेरी ने तो उनको मना किया गया, जैसा ट्रेलर में दिखाया जाता है कि तुम बॉक्सिंग मत करो, घर के काम करो वगैरह व्हाटएवर. रियल लाइफ में, असल ज़िंदगी में कभी आपको किसी काम के लिए मना किया गया था जो आपने किया?
काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो आई थिंक द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड आर दोज जो कहते हैं अगर उनको बोला जाए कि आप सिर्फ अपने आप सिर्फ इतना कर सकते हो, और वो उसको तोड़कर आगे बढ़ते हैं. मैं भी एक छोटे शहर से आई हूँ, किसी ने नहीं सोचा था मैं इस मुकाम पर होंगी, तो मैं बहुत रिलेट करती हूँ इस स्टोरी से. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ स्टोरी फॉर एवरीवन, नॉट जस्ट वुमेन बट फॉर ऑल दोज पीपल हु आर टोल्ड कि अच्छा अभी आप तो यहाँ पे ही हो, इधर के हो, आप इतना ही कर सकते हो. सीमाओं में रहने की बात नहीं है ये इस फिल्म में, ये सीमाएं तोड़ने की बात है इस फिल्म की. एंड आई थिंक एवरी सक्सेसफुल पर्सन शुड फील दैट.
5 सितंबर है, शिक्षक दिवस है. फिल्म क्या शिक्षा देती है, अगर आप बताना चाहें जो भी देख रहे हैं?
आई थिंक हम अपनी तरफ से तो ये नहीं कहेंगे कि हम कोई लेसन सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वगैरह. मैंने पर्सनली काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है इस फिल्म से, अबाउट द स्ट्रेंथ, अबाउट रेजिलियंस, अबाउट बैलेंस, अबाउट फैमिली, अबाउट डेडिकेशन. आई होप कि जो चीज़ें मैंने सीखी हैं मेरी से उसकी ज़िंदगी को देखकर यू नो ऑडियंस भी सीखे या लोग भी सीखे, स्पेशली युवाओं के लिए ये फिल्म काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगी. You know, I think fighting like a girl will become cool.
प्रियंका, जिस तरीके से हमने देखा अभी मैरी कॉम जो है उन्होंने काफ़ी संघर्ष किया अपनी लाइफ में और संघर्ष करके वो ऊपर आई. अगर प्रियंका की बात करें तो उससे कैसे रिलेट करेंगी वो? प्रियंका ने भी काफ़ी संघर्ष किया अपनी लाइफ में क्योंकि आप भी बरेली से आई.
मैंने उसी का जवाब अभी दिया था कि वो एक चीज़ है जिससे मैं बहुत रिलेट करती हूँ. नॉट इतना भी नहीं कि यू नो छोटे शहर की बात हुई, बट जनरली एक आउटसाइडर हो आप किसी फील्ड में, और मतलब मेरी की संघर्ष से तो कंपैरिजन नहीं कर सकती मैं, लेकिन आई थिंक हम सब की ज़िंदगी में जब भी संघर्ष आया है या प्रॉब्लम्स आई हैं, उसको जब भी हमने छोटे स्तर पे या बड़े स्तर पे ओवरकम किया होगा, you know, that is the story of every fight.
बॉलीवुड में आजकल देखा जा रहा है कि लगातार स्पोर्ट्स के ऊपर काफ़ी फिल्में बन रही हैं. पान सिंह तोमर से शुरुआत हुई, मिल्खा सिंह पे आई, फिर अब मैरी कॉम आ गई है. तो क्या बॉलीवुड अब इससे एक ट्रेंड को पकड़ रहा है, क्योंकि एक सक्सेसफुल फिल्मों का एक ट्रेंड है, यू नो, एक सिंपल फार्मूला है सक्सेस फिल्म का.
और कौन सी फिल्म्स को कंपेयर करते हो आप? क्योंकि मिल्खा सिंह और मैरी कॉम को आप कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते, ना ही आप पान सिंह तोमर को कर सकते हैं एज पीपल. ये पहली बार है जहाँ पे एक फीमेल एथलीट के ऊपर इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में फिल्म बनी है, एंड आई थिंक उसका ओहदा आपको छोटा नहीं करना चाहिए कह के कि ये एक ट्रेंड है. मेरी एक बहुत ही यू नो हमारे देश का अनमोल रत्न है, एंड आई थिंक उसको वो अहमियत देनी चाहिए. इट्स रियली डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल टू से कि ये एक ट्रेंड है.
Priyanka, you know, in terms of the place, I mean, Northeast is a place which is not really touched in Bollywood. Couple of places like Darjeeling and all of that is touched. So when you talk about Manipur, I've seen a lot of shoots had happened in Himachal Pradesh. So have you guys like shot in like, you know, Manipur as well? Umang, if you want to talk about it.
We have gone to Manali, Dharamshala. We've touched those bases which look exactly like Manipur. We've recreated over there. Basically, that is what it is. It's not that actually gone to Manipur to shoot and all.
We went for a recce. We did a lot of you know research in terms of what it needs to look like, but it's a lot feasible to be able to shoot in places and recreate, which is why we did a lot of the set work in Bombay. We recreated because you know it's easier for a big group of people to go and cameras and stuff to be able to shoot that, and we had a production designer who was amazing who recreated everything exactly, so it was great.
Child gives birth to a mother. Do you agree with that, and is that true for Mary Com's life as well?
I think you'll see that. I think every woman becomes different. She changes as soon as she's a mother, and that is an important chapter in Mary's life in the film as well. जी मैंने एक लोरी गाई है इस फिल्म में, जो एक बहुत important वक्त पे आती है फिल्म में. It's a very intimate conversation between the mother and her child, and yeah, it was fun. Shashi, it was a good tune.
इस फिल्म को बॉक्स ऑफिस वाइज कैसे देखते हैं?
नहीं, प्रोड्यूसर दो किस्म के होते हैं, एक जो खाली पैसे देखते हैं, एक जो फिल्म देखते हैं. तो मैं फिल्म देखता हूँ, उसके मेरिट्स, उसकी स्क्रिप्ट, उसका प्रोडक्शन वैल्यू क्या होगा, वो उसके हिस्ट्री में क्या जगह बनेगी. पैसे बनाएंगे तो बहुत ऊपर वाले की मेहरबानी.
Thank you guys. We'll just take a look.
Thank you very much. Thank you.